Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're rolling solo this Thanksgiving and thinking, man, I need a break from the same old turkey drama, then stick around. Today we're counting down the top 5 places in the US that are absolutely lit for solo travelers on Thanksgiving. Grab a coffee, smash that like button, and let's hit the road. All right, kicking things off with the heavyweight champ, New York City. If Thanksgiving had its own Hollywood blockbuster, NYC would be the lead actor. The Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade is straight up iconic. Massive balloons, marching bands, performers flying in from all over. And here's the best part. Solo travel in NYC is actually a vibe. Grab a hot chocolate, stroll through Central Park, wander into a Broadway show, or just chill in Times Square where the lights don't take a day off. If you're the type who likes staying busy, NYC will keep you booked and busy, no cap. Next up, Chicago, a city that mixes art, architecture, and just the right amount of bold Midwest personality. The Chicago Thanksgiving Parade is super fun, festive without being crazy packed. Take a walk along the Riverwalk, hit Millennium Park, or grab some deep dish pizza. And trust me, if you're traveling solo and hungry, Chicago will treat you right. Also, the holiday lights make the whole downtown look like a Christmas movie set. Honestly, it's giving Home Alone energy, but like the adult version. Number 3, San Francisco, the cool, quirky cousin of American cities. If you're looking for Thanksgiving without freezing your face off, this is your spot. Golden Gate Bridge views, Fisherman's Wharf, Chinatown eats, everything is chill, scenic, and super solo-friendly. Plus the Thanksgiving dinner cruises, chef's kiss. SF is the kind of place where solo travel feels like self-care. It's calm, artsy, and gives you space to breathe. At number 4, Orlando, Florida, aka the fun capital of the universe. If you want to spend Thanksgiving living your best life, riding roller coasters and eating theme park level snacks, Orlando's got you. Disney and Universal get totally decked out for Thanksgiving. Parades, fireworks, lights, the whole 9 yards. Solo traveler bonus, single rider lines move faster than Wi-Fi at a Starbucks. And hey, no winter jackets here. It's sunshine, palm trees, and pure good vibes. And finally, Sedona, Arizona, the spiritual reset button of America. If you want peace, red rocks, and a whole lot of main character energy, this place is straight magic. Hike Cathedral Rock at sunrise. Do a yoga session, or just sit and watch the desert turn gold during sunset. Sedona is perfect for anyone who wants a Thanksgiving that's calm, grounding, and a little bit soul-refreshing. Traveling solo here feels like a personal retreat, in the best way. So whether you're out here meeting new people, chasing a little adventure, dodging family drama, or just treating yourself, these 5 US cities are perfect for a solo Thanksgiving trip. Drop a comment with the place you'd pick, and tell me if you're traveling solo by choice or having a full main character moment. Either way, I'm here for the glow up. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and share it with anyone planning a Thanksgiving escape.